There's Axsel, Buddy, Paws, and Gizmo. Axsel, eating. He's a hungry boy all the time, you know. Bigger than a horse. There's Paws. At least he's a little thing. There's Buddy and Gizmo on the other side fighting. They do that constantly. That's what I call the flying angels. They come in to the door and start darting. Well, I'm gonna go get my my diesel in. This is Caily, my cat. Can you hang on to her?
I put her in the bathroom.
Caily has to go to the bathroom because, you know, she can't be out when I let the dogs out. She gets out every time. So, she goes in the bathroom, there she goes. So, yeah. Here comes Diesel. Diesel! Diesel, buddy! There's Diesel. He's a lazy guy. Diesel! Weighing 550 pounds. Come on down. See, that works all the time. I gotta just say the right words. Here you are, Diesel. Good boy! Good boy! Yes, you are! So anyway, that's how I got him trained. See that? Come on. Come on, Axe. Come on, Axe. Come on, Axe. Axsel. Come on.
Would you stop your yelling?
Buddy, you ready? Axsel. There we go. You see that, guys? It went in on his command. Now, Buddy, in your cage. Buddy, in your cage. Buddy, in your cage. Look, this is how I train him. What you doing for a Scooby snack? Hey, what you doing for Buddy? Buddy. Come here. Come here. Will you do it for a Scooby snack? Pause. Buddy. 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 Come on. Want it? Come on. You gotta come with me. See, this is how I train. Come on. Want it? Come on. See? See, I'm in training with him. Come on. You see it? See it? Go in there. Go get in there. Go get it. There's how I train, see? See how I train them? And then they eventually go in. There's Paws. There's Gizmo. Now, these again are called Pet Pride. They're peanut butter things made for dogs. They're peanut butter flavored biscuit. All my dogs love them. Okay, well, see you. Bye.